Everything you need to know about giraffes in less than 5 minutes. Giraffes are fascinating and unique animals known for their extraordinary height and distinct appearance. Here's an extensive overview of what is known about giraffes. Physical characteristics. Giraffes are the tallest land animals. Adult males, known as bulls, can reach heights of up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, while females, known as cows, can reach up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters. Males can weigh between 2,400 to 3,000 pounds, 100 to 1,400 kg, while females typically weigh between 1,600 to 2,600 pounds, 700 to 1,200 kilos. Giraffes have long necks, which can be up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters long, and their legs are about the same length as their necks. They have a distinctive coat pattern of irregular patches that can be shades of tan, brown, or orange, separated by lighter lines. Each giraffe's pattern is unique. Both male and female giraffes have ossicones, which are horn-like structures covered in skin and fur. Males' ossicones tend to be thicker and can become bald on top due to frequent necking fights. Habitat and distribution. Giraffes are found in sub-Saharan Africa. Their range includes countries like Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Namibia, and Botswana. They inhabit savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Giraffes prefer areas with abundant acacia trees, which are their primary food source. Behavior and social structure. Giraffes are social animals that live in loose, open herds with no fixed membership. Herds can consist of a few individuals to over 20, and they are usually composed of females and their offspring, while males may form bachelor groups or be solitary. Giraffes communicate through vocalizations, such as grunts, snorts, and moans, as well as through body language. They also produce infrasonic sounds, which are below the range of human hearing. Giraffes are browsers and primarily feed on the leaves, flowers, and shoots of trees and shrubs, particularly acacia trees. Their long necks allow them to reach foliage that other herbivores cannot, and their tongues, which can be up to 18 inches, 45 centimeters long, are prehensile and adapted to grasp leaves and twigs. Reproduction and lifespan. Female giraffes reach sexual maturity at around 4 to 5 years of age, while males mature at around 7 years. After a gestation period of about 15 months, females give birth to a single calf, although twins are rare. Calves are about 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall at birth and can stand and walk within a few hours. They are weaned by about 6 to 12 months but remain dependent on their mothers for protection and social learning for a longer period. In the wild, giraffes typically live up to 25 years, while in captivity, they can live slightly longer due to better nutrition and absence of predators. Cultural significance. Giraffes are often seen as symbols of grace, elegance, and uniqueness. They appear in African folklore, art, and as national symbols in several African countries. Giraffes are a major attraction for wildlife tourism, which contributes to local economies and raises awareness about the importance of conservation. Unique adaptations. A giraffe's long neck has the same number of vertebrae as a human neck, 7, but each vertebra is much longer. Their large hearts, which can weigh up to 25 pounds, 11 kilograms, generate the high blood pressure needed to pump blood to their brains. Giraffes have specialized blood vessels and valves to manage the high blood pressure and prevent fainting when they lower and raise their heads. Their tongues are dark-colored, possibly to protect against sunburn, and are tough and covered in thick saliva to protect against thorns when feeding on acacia trees. Ecological role. By feeding on the tops of trees, giraffes shape the structure of vegetation in their habitats. This can influence the availability of resources for other species and maintain the health and diversity of their ecosystems. Giraffes play a role in seed dispersal through their diet. Seeds from the plants they consume are spread across their range in their dung, promoting plant growth and diversity. Giraffes are remarkable animals with a range of unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their environments. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival amidst growing threats, highlighting the need for continued research and protection measures.